Hi, I'm Brian with Fred's Tents for another edition of Tuesday Tent Talk. Today, we're looking at a white top. It's a wonderful piece of vinyl. It's a great day when you're pulling out vinyl. It's sunny. You see me sweating a little bit. It's just a beautiful day, especially when you're doing tenting. You'll notice there's a couple guys here finishing up some lace lines, and that's what we are talking about today. We are talking about lacing up a Fred's pole tent. Once you've squared your tent, driven your stakes, laid out your drop cloths, and placed your tent tops, it's now time to make your sectional tent one complete tent. Lace lines are the standard in the tenting industry, with tents that are sectional. All lace lines include two parts, a lace side and a grommet side. When you combine the two sections, it's called a lace line. Lace lines allow you to make larger tent tops and to make them expandable to any length. Each tent end and tent mid will have reinforcements at each lace line that are used to put the sections together. To assemble a lace line, start by lining up your lace and grommets at either the peak of the tent or the middle of the tent, depending on the size. With the tent shown, we're pulling the tent top to help line up the lace and grommets. Now we're going to work from the center of the tent towards the perimeter of the tent. To start, the lace should be on the bottom and bring it through the first grommet, pulling it towards you. Then put the second lace through the second grommet, and then take the second lace through the first lace, as you see here. Once you get the first couple completed, you'll find that it is easiest if you pull the lace towards the lace side or the tent instead of the downward. Repeat this process, and as you go along, close the rain flap. This eliminates the need to climb on the tent later. Continue this process of the lace and grommet and closing the rain flap until you reach the perimeter of the tent. A very important note, make sure as you're lacing that you do not miss or drop a lace. This is a disaster waiting to happen. And also try and hold on to the lace the entire time. Once you start lacing, do not allow yourself to get distracted. Finish the lace line. Once you're near the perimeter of the tent on the lace line, you'll see that you have 3 different lengths of lace. Pull each lace through the grommets. Now take the second lace through the third, and then take the first through the second, and tie off. To tie off, you do this by going over, under, and through the lace, and then do it once again. This does not need to be pulled tight, just snug, as you'll need to untie it when you take the tent down. Once you've completed this lace line, repeat the process for the remainder of the tent. Once all the lace lines have been completed, the hard work is done. Now install your side poles, raise your center poles, and then tighten your tent. That's it. And that's how you lace a Fred's tent. Hope you enjoyed that, and if you have other topics, let us know. Email us at ttt@wemaketents.com. I'm Brian. Hey, have a great day.